understanding on establishment of a joint ministerial commission at the foreign ministerial level. JMC will oversee mutually beneficial cooperation and promote regular bilateral engagement. In Bali, Foreign Minister has also held a meeting with the Foreign Minister of Bosnia-Herzegovina, Her Excellency Dr. Bisra Tarkovic. Foreign Minister Bilawal Bhutto Zardari expressed Pakistan's desire to further strengthen our bilateral engagement with Bosnia-Herzegovina. As we speak, the Foreign Minister is participating in the International Conference on Afghan Women Education. In his remarks, he will speak on the importance of education for women and their participation in decision-making. He will underline the need for concrete and practical assistance programs benefiting all sections of society. Foreign Minister will also reiterate Pakistan's strong support for the well-being and prosperity of the people of Afghanistan. The Foreign Minister will fly to Singapore tonight for the second leg of the East Asia visit. There he will meet Foreign Minister His Excellency Dr. Vivian Balakrishnan and President Her Excellency Halima Yaqub. During these meetings, the Foreign Minister will emphasize the importance accorded by Pakistan to its relations with Singapore, a key partner in ASEAN. The two sides will discuss cooperation in diverse areas and measures to add momentum to bilateral relations.